Hello dear friends, my name is Melissa and today we are going to study the adverbs of frequency. The adverbs of frequency help us to answer the question how often. This is so important to remind. The adverbs of frequency help us to talk about how often we do an activity. So we have always, usually, generally, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, and never. Let's check how to use it. So we always have the subject, then we are going to write the adverb, then the verb, and then the complement. We have an exception. When it's with verb to be, the adverb goes after the verb to be. For example, Daniel usually watches TV at night. Maria is always bored in class. So as you see, when it's like a normal verb, we are going to use the adverb before the verb. And if it's verb to be, the adverb goes after it. Okay? So, how often do you watch my videos? You never watch my videos. Boo. You always watch my videos. Happy face! Thanks for watching my videos. If you have any questions, you can send me a message on Deadly Sisters or on Twitter, or just leave me a comment. If you don't have any question, just give me a like. Bye!